Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover this keyword in Java. In Java, this is a reference variable that refers to the current object. In a constructor or in a method, we often use this keyword to resolve the confusion between the local variable name and the instance variable name. In a constructor or method, these parameters are called local variable because their scope is within the constructor or method itself. The class variables are called instance variables. Inside constructor, we are assigning local variable value to the instance variable, but there is a confusion between the local variable name and the instance variable name because both the names are same. To resolve the confusion between the local variable names and the instance variable names, we are using this keyword before the instance variable names. In this example, local variable names and the instance variable names are different, so there is no confusion between the local variable names and the instance variable names. That is why we are not using this keyword before the instance variable names. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.